What? What?
So it's saying something about, we guarantee that you'll smile while eating this, and then it says, disclaimer, the fun, sweet smile guarantee applies to typically pleasant individuals. If you are a major grouch that doesn't smile at a puppy or a rainbow, then even we can't help you. That's great.
Well, so, welcome back everybody. As you can tell from the disclaimer of the cotton candy. We're going to try to do cotton candy today. We're going to see if it'll mix in our white base and our cloudy clear, as we say. How's the blue? Is the blue pretty good?
Amazing.
I tried it. I didn't like the blue. I did not like the blue.
It's like a raspberry, blue raspberry.
Now, disclaimer, anytime we mix food into slime, you cannot eat the slime. Like, straight up. Like, it'll make you sick. It'll probably put you in the hospital. Just, you know. I like the disclaimer on the cotton candy that Stacy was reading at the beginning of the video. So, but let's see if this will mix. So, we'll start with the white. And there's you some white. And me some white. Throw that on the side. Stacy says we can't mix a lot of this because she needs to eat it later. What? I just saying. I mean,
I'm eating it now.
I mean, again, you can't eat this.
I can no longer eat it. I put it in the slime.
There you go. So, will it mix? Let's see if I can mix this then.
I think it's just gonna dissolve.
It's completely dissolving. You know how like when you put cotton candy in your hand and you mush it together and it just makes it like a hard clump?
No, I don't do that with my cotton candy. Oh gosh, yeah. I see it, feel it. Like,
so weird. It's actually making mine pink.
it's doing the liquefying thing, like.
The Skittles, the gummy Skittles.
You got some.
Yeah, I don't know if I can. Yep. It totally did.
Yep.
I don't know what it is with the candy. Like, every time we put
It's
candy,
the sugar.
It's gotta be the sugar. Oh my goodness. Alright, so.
Mine kind of turned blue.
Mine definitely turned pink.
Ah! I can't.
Can't get it.
I'm struggling.
It's all over my hands. It's everywhere.
It's under my nails.
Like I say, you can't eat this. Disclaimer, you cannot eat this. Well, it mixed.
Kinda.
It mixed. It definitely mixed.
Okay.
It definitely mixed. Let's do the clear. Let's see if the clear is any different. Our cloudy clear. We have not figured out the clear yet. It's
Let's see.
I can't even get it off my hands. Well, we'll see if I can. Oh, this is so bad. This is terrible. Oh man. It's like me, mine's like how you were having problems with it. It just fell out. It literally just fell out. I have to pick it back up.
Mine's just sticking off to the table, like the bath thing when we did. Look at this. Look at this.
I mean, it just completely dissolves the slime. It's so bad. It's so bad. Alright, well, I like the blue. The blue looks cool. I mean, the pink just kind of did what it did. Well, there you go. There you go. Cotton candy will not mix into slime. Obviously, we think it's because of the sugar, but it actually starts to dissolve the slime, as you guys can see. This poor slime. I can't even get it off my hands. How are you doing over there?
Yeah.
She says. Thank you guys for watching. We really appreciate it. We're having a great time doing this Will It Mix series. We hope you guys tune in next time. We'll have more videos out this week. And we hope you have a wonderful and great day. Bye.